Do you need some extra money? Would you like to make some extra money for Christmas? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 2 apps to earn extra cash for Christmas. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app. Name of the app is Curious Cat Paid Surveys. Now let's look at the screenshot to learn a little bit about this app. So answer surveys, earn cash rewards. Over 2 million downloads worldwide. Earn money taking surveys. Get paid for your opinion. Instant PayPal withdrawals. Okay, so it says here, earn real money taking paid surveys with Curious Cat. No funny business, just cash and cats. Withdrawals from only 100 points. Instant payout to PayPal. Curious Cat is a fun way to get paid for your opinion and earn extra cash in your free time. So they have a wide range of paid surveys, polls, and questionnaires. The average task pays between 20 and 200 points. You want to get real cash, so withdraw your earnings with an instant PayPal transfer, and their smart matching algorithm finds you the highest paying task. Now let's just look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.4. Excellent app, guys. Any app that's have over a 4.0 star rating is a very, very good app. Now let's just read one review here. So this person right here says, we've used this app for about a month, and without hardly using it at all, I've deposited around $20. Now I know $20 doesn't sound much, but they said they rarely even use the app and they still made $20. Just think, if you use the app on a regular basis, you probably can make $50 to $100, guys. So to download this app, go ahead and go to the Google Play Store and look for Curious Cat Paid Surveys. Now let me go to the second app. Okay, I'm at the next app. The name of this app is Surveys on the Go. So let's look at the screenshots for this one. So make extra cash with premium surveys. Introducing payday. Get paid for sharing your digital data. Take surveys. As you see the surveys right here. Very, very simple. And you're going to get paid in cash. So it says here, if you are looking for an app to make money, you've hit the jackpot. The Surveys on the Go app will help you make money on the go. When you're bored at home or out shopping, you have a chance to earn some free, easy money. Download this survey app and earn the first $1 instantly. So they have real cash, not points. So make cash by taking surveys. We pay you real cash, not points. It's fast, it's easy, and most surveys will pay $1 to $5, with some surveys paying $10 plus if you qualify. How does that sound, guys? That sounds good to me. Now let's look at the review and the rating. So out of 5 stars, here's another app that's 4.4. Very, very good app, guys. Now let's just read one review here. So this person right here says, okay, I was thoroughly skeptical about this app because many of them tend to claim they will pay out and never do. You take surveys and slowly build your bank up before cashing out to whichever service you choose that they offer. So this person said he was skeptical at first, but they're getting paid from this app, so they are very satisfied. Okay, guys, to download this app, just go to Surveys on the Go in the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below. Share this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Help this channel get to 8,000 subscribers so I can give out this free money. Now, guys, before you leave, go check out these other videos that will help you make even more money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.